Note that you are required to find the absolute maximum and minimum of the function. That means we will find the critical values of f of x in that interval and evaluate f of x at those points, and also find f of 1 and f of 5, and then take the maximum and minimum from that. Use the given value of f of x to find its derivative f dash x. So d by dx of x cube will be 3x square, d by dx of x square will be 2x, d by dx of x will be 1, and d by dx of a constant will be 0. So f dash x equal to 6x square minus 30x plus 36, taking 6 common, 6 times x square minus 5x plus 6. To factorize the quadratic, we find two numbers whose sum is minus 5 and product is 6. Clearly they are minus 2 and minus 3. So factoring, we get 6 times x minus 2 into x minus 3. Equating f dash x to 0, we get x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Clearly both 2 and 3 lie in the given interval 1, 5. So we evaluate f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and f of 5. Replace x with 1, 2, 3, 5 in f of x. So f of 1 equal to 24, f of 2 equal to 29, f of 3 equal to 28, f of 5 equal to 56. The absolute maximum value in the interval 1, 5 is 56. The absolute minimum value in the interval is 24.